When I upgrade my software one time, I'm upgrading it for everybody. When I price my software one time, I'm pricing it for everybody.
What do you see in terms of the software industry? And you've probably seen that. What trends do you see, and what is it that people can benefit from?
Yeah, look, two big trends, and none of them is a surprise. Cloud, and more cloud. Cloud, by another name, is basically centralized computing, right? When you think about it, we went from mainframes all the way to a network computer, and now we're back to essentially a mainframe concept, right? Because what is a cloud? It's like, but people forget what the cloud is, and this is where the right engineer is getting it. Cloud is not just, hey, we'll put everything in one centralized location. It is a uniformity of the way you deliver service and the way you price service and the way you support service for your customers. Because what is truly cloud? Cloud is build once, sell many. Update once, update all. Price once, price all. So if you really think about it, that infrastructure saving, it's the amortizing of expenses, resources over a whole series of customers. Right? So if you think about it, there's not a custom product for you and a custom product for you and a custom product. It's one product, all basically delivered. And so to me, those people who intrinsically get the cloud, that's a great skill set to have. But you have to understand, you cannot have 7 clouds delivering to 7 different customers and call it cloud. You will be able to get away with it from a marketing point of view. But the true value of cloud is when I upgrade my software one time, I'm upgrading it for everybody. When I price my software one time, I'm pricing it for everybody, right? So to some extent, that huge focus, because that becomes a very high gross margin business, right? Because in essence, what you're doing is you're taking the cost of your software development and your software support and your sales and marketing, and you're spreading it over an entire customer base as opposed to making it bespoke for each customer. So that's one key trend. The second is large language models are here to stay. I'm not saying that ChatGPT or Bard or any of these other things is anywhere good. But what I am telling you is that is the future. And frankly, that is the great equalizer, because those people who start to figure it out, the rote programming work will go away. And it'll be the higher order programming work where you're really trying to solve a customer's problem. So, right. So when just let's use travel agents, right? And this is not software, but I'm just using this as an analogy. You want to book a trip from here to there and have 5 cities in the way, just enter it into Bard and it'll spit out an entire itinerary with a level of hotels. So think of it as foundational coding has now been done. So now you have that higher order things of, okay, which city do I like better? What do I look for in a hotel? And you're able to then take what is already given and optimize it. So I think you're going to see programming, and particularly for folks that are mid-level, the way they will move up is the rote programming. They will start to learn enough about the trends in AI and leverage that to do the mainstream rote programming. But the voice of the customer, they will add that extra 10 or 20% that will differentiate them. Those people who will figure it out will create the next set of billionaires out of India.